Good Governance Day is being celebrated on the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid floral tributes at the Sandaiv Atal Memorial in New Delhi on the 99th birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Along with the rest of the world, Christmas is being celebrated in Shillong today. Christians all over the world celebrate Christmas to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Mazduron Ka Hit, Mazduron Ka Samarpit program virtually being organized at Indore on the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Indian Navy responded swiftly to a maritime incident in Arabian Sea involving a drone attack on MT Chem Pluto.